shooting 300 Blackout Supersonics. Loud son of a bitch, what she is. But tons of knockdown. We're gonna shoot supersonic ammo again, but this time we're gonna use the 9mm silencer. 4 rounds. We're shooting 220 grain subsonics through the silencer.